Hi. Demo, we went. Are you ready? What a fun one. It's called We Went. It's a beginner line dance, and it's only 24 counts. So there's only 3 sets of 8, and there's no tags and no restarts. So let's get started. The first 8, and it's symmetrical. You do it on the right, and then you do it on the left. So we're going to start with our right foot and do a heel, step, heel, hook, heel, step. One more time. With the right foot, heel, step, left foot, step, right foot, hook, right heel, step. Then we do it on the left. Left heel, right heel, left hook, left step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they might be, I think they're and counts because it's pretty fast. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Yeah, they're fast. So from the side, and it is all 4 walls, but our second wall is this one. So let me do that. So it looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Good, that's the first 8. Same thing on the right that you do on the left. Nice? Then we're going to do 2 hip bumps right and 2 hip bumps left. So we're going to do, we just did a right heel, right hook, left heel, right heel, left hook, hip bump right, hip bump left. So it's moving forward. So I'm going to step on the diagonal, bump the hip right, step on the diagonal, bump the hip left. Good. Then we do a rocking horse, rock front, rock back, and a scuff and a touch. So scuff with the right foot. You can stomp it, but you're going to have to pick it back up again. So I like to just touch it, but I know a lot of people like to stomp it with their cowboy boots, and that's fun. So we just did let's do our first 8, the heel series. So from the top, right foot, ready, and heel, and heel, and heel, hook, heel, and heel, and heel, and heel, hook, heel, and. First 8. Second 8, 2 hip bumps to the right, bump and bump. 2 hip bumps to the left, bump and bump. Rocking horse with the right, so you leave your weight on your left leg. Rock and scuff. You can do stomp if you want, but I like to do a touch. Scuff, touch, because it's going to move really fast. It starts the third 8. So let's do it with counts, the first 8 and then the second 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Good? So I'll do it facing this way so you can see what it looks like. From the top, with counts, starting with the heel series. So here we go, from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. That's it. That's the first 2 8s. Just have one more 8 and we're done. So I'll face this wall. We'll do it one more time and then we'll move on. From the top with counts 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. One more time, I'll do it with words. Here we go, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel, hook, heel and heel and heel and heel, hook, heel and hip bump, rocking horse and scuff, touch. Good. Last 8. Again, we do a symmetrical series, so it's rock right and cross, rock left and cross. So rock and cross to the side, so to the right side, then to the left side. One more time, starts with the rock and cross. So we just did our scuff, touch or stomp, rock and cross, Good. Then we're going to do a quarter turn to the 9 o'clock wall. We're going to step on our right, hitch or kick with your left to the 9 o'clock wall, and then a left coaster step. So the last 8 starts with we just did our scuff, touch. We're going to do rock and cross with the right foot. So it's rock and cross, step, kick or hitch, coaster step. There is a variation, so I'm going to show you that real quick. So the variation is just on the little turn part. So it's the rock and cross are the same. Rock and cross. Some people do 2 paddles and then a coaster step. But my teacher, Carrie Wojo, likes to do a little half turn with a hitch or a kick, whichever. All of it works really well with the music. So the last 8 starts with a rock and cross, step. I like to kick it. I don't know why. Kick, coaster, step. So that once you kick, it's still up to do the left coaster step. And then you start again facing your second wall, the 9 o'clock wall. So last 8, we just did our scuff, touch. We're going to do rock and cross, step, hitch, coaster step. So 5, 6 with counts, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. One more time with counts. Just did our scuff, touch. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good. Let's start from the top. So it's just the 3 8s, so it's 24 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8 with words. Heel and heel and heel, hook, heel and heel and heel and heel, hook, and hips, rocking horse and scuff, touch, rock and cross, step, turn, and a coaster step. Okay, now with counts from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good. Now let's do this. Let's do all 4 walls. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. Hip bumps. Rocking horse. Scuff, touch, rock and cross, step, hitch, coaster, step, heel, and from the top again, heel, heel, hook, heel, hips, hip, 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 rocking horse and scuff, touch, rock and cross, little turn to the back, coaster step. That's it. Isn't that fun? Isn't that fun? It's called We Went. Music is really fun too. So thank you for joining me. That's the tutorial with the steps for We Went. Beginner line dance, 24 counts, 4 walls. Have fun. Enjoy it. Smile. Bye-bye.